Hi, and welcome to another one of our craft workshops. In this workshop that you're about to see, we're going to make this gorgeous little spider dude, but we're also going to be, over the next couple of days or weeks, making these other ones. So this one here is one that we've made using like a Christmas bauble theme, and this really adorable little bat. And isn't he cute? So these are all table arrangements that we're going to be using on our tables for our Halloween party at Splatter. So we're going to make a spider for some Halloween decorations. Now I haven't made one of these before, but you know, I've seen someone else make one, so that makes it like that I'm an expert. So these are some pipe cleaners. Now I've pre-painted these. They're still a little bit wet, but you know, I'm impatient. So, and then the concept is that we're going to, that's half a toilet roll. And then what I've done is I've gone around the outside and I've hole punched holes. Can you see the little holes around there? And then I'm going to use these pipe cleaners and shred them through the holes. Like so. Actually, I might fold them in half so I can figure out where the center is. And that's going to get threaded through the holes. There we go. So you can see these are the legs. But to keep them in place, I'm going to go down and then back up through. See? And that will give us some legs, some spider legs. And then I'm just going to repeat this brush. I'll fold it in half again because I think it helps to know where the center is so we can get even shaped legs. And look, my hands are black because I haven't let the toilet rolls dry properly. Now, if you don't want to do use toilet rolls, because some people, you know, have some hygiene issues with them, and that's okay. I don't, because I grew up using, you know, recycled cereal boxes and everything. Okay. You could just make a hoop of paper, like cardboard. In fact, I can show you later on in another one where I just do a loop of cardboard. Okay, you see how it's going right through the kind of center, and then it's looping down and back through the hole. Oh, it's actually quite hard to see black on black. I hope you guys can see that better in the film. Now the one that I saw that was done online, they actually just did it like this, and it still looks super cool. But what I've done is I've got a little black circle here, and I'm going to put that on the top just to sort of like cover up the mechanics of it. Feel my way to find the hole. Wow, doesn't that look cool? It already looks like a spider. And then you can kind of like bend its legs to make it more spider-like. So the plan is we're having a special Halloween party at the shop, and the plan is that we're going to have these on all the tables. So we're doing a Halloween party, but it's a spooky Halloween party, not a scary Halloween party. So we're going to have lots of cute things too. Wow, doesn't it look cool? So the tutorial that I saw online left it like this, but I actually have got some black glittery cardboard, and I was just going to glue that on the top to give it like a capping, just to hide all the underneath stuff. Now I'm going to use PVA glue. You could use hot glue, but I've just constantly been burning myself with hot glue lately, so I'm kind of a little anti-hot glue at the moment. Now that is probably a little bit bigger than it needs to be, so I might trim it down afterwards. Now whenever I use PVA glue, I always position it and then I hold my hand over it to kind of like seal it, because it's not like hot glue, it's not instant, you know. So there you go, this little cover. And then I also, I've got them, yes, I got some googly eyes. Oh, there we go. Okay, awesome. So we'll decide which one is the front, and we will put an eyeball on there. Okay, there we go. I was going to put heaps of eyes on them, but with that being so difficult, I'm just going to put the 2 eyes on. Oh, and my cover is coming off, so I will reposition that. How cute is that? Okay, so the cover's not really working. What we might do is we might hot glue the cover. I'll just have to get the hot glue out, and we will do that to show you. But yeah, isn't that cute? Actually, that might be the reason why the other ones that I saw didn't have the tops of them, because they're hard. But it's not going to be that hard. We're just going to glue that on top of that. And there you go, there you have him. Just going to make sure he's angled enough. Oh, there you go. So super easy. Hi and welcome back. So we're going to do it with the hot glue this time, because the PVA glue didn't work. And that's what happens when sometimes I don't do practice runs before I do my videos, because I'm too excited to show you a cool new idea. Stick that over there, and then I'm going to stick this on top and try not to burn myself, which seems to be a regular thing. I just had a really cool suggestion that I could make this into a top hat, so we might make some spiders with some top hats. That would be quite cool. Oh, there you go. Now because that's a little bit too big, I'm going to then come along with my scissors and just trim it off without trying to trim his little feet off. There you go. Isn't that cool? So I'm going to make a whole pile of these little dudes to sit on the tables for the Halloween party. So super easy to make. Oh, and also make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video, and also check us out on Instagram, where we are Splatter New Zealand, and on Facebook, where we just splatter. Cool, see you there.